This dance is called Always Humble. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, beginner level line dance with 2 restarts. Starting on the right foot, we're going into some step lock steps. Travelling towards the right diagonal, but you continue facing forward. So you're going to step that right forward on that diagonal, lock the left behind the right, so still facing the front wall. Into 1 and 2 count timing step lock steps. So again, the right foot steps towards that right diagonal, lock the left behind, step the right towards that diagonal. You're going to repeat that with the left foot leading. So again, carry on facing the front wall, you are going to travel towards that left diagonal. So you step that left diagonally forward, lock the right behind the left, into the 1 and 2 count timing steps, stepping that left diagonally forward, right locks behind, step that left diagonally forward again. That set of steps once more then. Step lock, step, off on the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, 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 lock, step. Cross the right over the left, step back on the left. Chassé to the right, 1 and 2 count timing steps, stepping the right to the side, left beside right, right to the side. Cross the left over the right, step back on the right, chassé to the left, but we're going to put a quarter turn on the end. 1 and 2 count timing steps again, so we step the left to the side, right beside left, stepping that left forward, making quarter of a turn to the left. That set of steps once more then, cross back chassé off on the right. 7, 8, cross back, right chassé, cross back, chassé, turn. Let's add that to the top. Step locks off on the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, 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 lock, step. Cross back, right chassé, cross back, chassé, turn. Then we're going to do some toe switches, followed by some heel switches. So you're going to touch your right toe out to the side, bring the right back beside the left. Step the left out to touch the left out to the side, step the left beside the right. Touch the right back out to the side, keep it there, clap twice. So these are quite quick steps. It's 1 and 2 and 3 and count timing. So those are toe switches. So you're doing 3 times. So it's right toe out, right beside left. Left toe out, left beside right. Right toe out, keep it there, clap twice. You go straight in then to some heel switches. So the right foot starts again. So you touch the right heel forward, step the right beside the left. Left heel forward, left beside right. Right heel forward, keep it there, clap twice. So that heel section again it's got all those and counts in it. So it's right heel forward, right beside left, left heel forward, left beside right, right heel forward, clap twice. So let's just do that section once more then. So toes first, then the heels. 3 toes, 3 heels. 7, 8, toe and toe and toe, clap, clap. Heel and heel and heel, clap, clap. Like I said, they are quite quick because they're all on the and counts. So add that to the top. Step locks off on the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, step, lock, step. Cross back, right chassé, cross back, chassé, turn. toe and toe and toe, clap, clap, heel and heel and heel, clap, clap. Shuffle forward on the right, 1 and 2 count timing steps, stepping the right forward, left beside right, step the right forward. Rock forward on the left, recover your weight on the right, shuffle back on the left, 1 and 2 count timing steps, stepping the left back, right beside left, step the left back. And then rock back on the right, and recover your weight on the left. That set of steps once more then, shuffling forward on the right. 7, 8, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock. End of the dance. When you get to that point, let's put it all together. Step locks off on the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, cross, back, right chassé, cross, back, left chassé, turn, toe and toe and toe, clap, clap, heel and heel and heel, clap, clap, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock. That is your dance. Now there are quite a few hand counts, especially in that toe heel switch section. So I will now go through it with the counts so you can see exactly where they are. Step locks off on the right. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. So hopefully that gives you a feel for the timing. Now just before I do the other 3 walls, I'm going to give you some optional steps that you can actually do in that very last section. So should you wish to try and put some additional turns in there, there are in fact 3 options that you can do. I'll show you facing the front. So normally you would do a forward shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock. One of your options, you can shuffle forward on the right, step forward on the left, pivot half a turn to the right, shuffle forward on the left, step forward on the right, pivot half a turn to the left. So you can basically put some turns in by pivoting at either end. That's one option. Another option you've got, you can shuffle forward on the right, rock forward on the left, recover, same as you would do if you're not turning. Then put in a half shuffle turn over your left shoulder, quarter, close, quarter, followed by a step, pivot, half. That's your second option. If, however, you want to try and turn the whole thing into turns, what you can actually do is do a full triple turn, going forward, step pivot, half, full triple turn, step pivot, half. But in order to do it, you have to do your full triple turn to the right to start with. So you're effectively going to do the equivalent of a quarter, quarter, half. That gives you your full turn, step, pivot, half. And then you're going to full triple turn to the left, quarter, quarter, half, step, pivot, half. So anybody who's slightly more advanced than a beginner who wants to try and put some turns in that section, there are some options there for you to be able to add them in. I will be doing the choreographed steps, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock. your options for section 4. So now we'll have a go at the other 3 balls. Step locks off on the right. 7, 8. Step, lock, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, lock, step. Cross, back, right chassé, cross, back, chassé, turn. Toe and toe and toe, clap, clap. Heel and heel and heel, clap, clap. Right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock. Step, lock, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, lock, step. Cross, back, right chassé, cross, back, chassé, turn. Toe and toe and toe, clap, clap. Heel and heel and heel, clap, clap. Right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock. Step, lock, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, lock, step. Cross, back, right chassé, cross, back, chassé, turn. Toe and toe and toe, clap, clap. Heel and heel and heel, clap, clap. Right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock. So that's your dance. Now there are 2 little restarts in this dance. They come on walls 4 and 8, both of which are your 3 o'clock wall. They come after 24 counts, so you will have just done your toe switches, your heel switches. That's the point that you restart. So let's take you through wall 4 or 8, take a pick. 24 counts, restart the dance so you can see how it fits in. Step locks off on the right. 7, 8. Step, lock, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, lock, step. Cross, back, right chassé, cross, back, chassé, turn. Toe and toe and toe, clap, clap. Heel and heel and heel, clap, clap. Restart, step, lock, step, step. So that's your restart point. 24 counts into walls 4 and 8, both of which are your 3 o'clock wall. So that is it. That is your dance and your walkthrough and your restart information. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Step, lock, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, lock, step. Cross, back, right chassé, cross, back, chassé, turn. Toe and toe and toe. Heel and heel and heel. Right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock. Step, lock, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, lock, step. Cross, back, right chassé, cross, back, chassé, turn. Toe and toe and toe. Heel and heel and heel. Right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock. Step, lock, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, lock, step. Cross, back, right chassé, cross, back, chassé, turn. Toe and toe. Heel and heel. Right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock. Step locks. To restart wall, step, lock, step, lock, step. Cross, back, right chassé, cross, back, chassé, turn. Toe and toe and toe. Heel and heel, restart, step, lock, step, lock, step. Cross back. Toes. Shuffle. Step locks. Cross back. Toes. Forward rock, shuffle. Step locks. out. So next restart ball. Rolls back. Toes. Restart, step locks. Hope you managed that one.